Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to take a journey into the heart of the crypto world and unravel a rather intriguing confession from a notable figure in the industry. We are marking the 8th anniversary of the groundbreaking Ethereum's launch, and to commemorate this momentous occasion, we're shedding light on an unexpected revelation from none other than Changpeng Zhao, known popularly as CZ, the founder of Binance. Get ready for an exciting and comprehensive deep dive into the remarkable world of cryptocurrency. 8 years ago, the world of cryptocurrency changed forever with the introduction of Ethereum. The open-source blockchain, with its native cryptocurrency Ether, ETH, provided a platform for developers to build decentralized applications, ushering in a whole new era of blockchain technology. The brainchild of the brilliant Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum continues to be a catalyst for innovation and evolution in the crypto landscape. Today, as we mark the 8th anniversary of Ethereum's launch, we take a look back at its journey and explore its impact on the industry. Recently, in celebration of this milestone, Changpeng Zhao, the innovative creator of Binance, one of the world's most successful crypto exchanges, shared a rare photograph on social media. The photo, showcasing Zhao alongside Ethereum's founder, Vitalik Buterin, was taken in CZ's Tokyo residence. In the caption of this nostalgic photograph, CZ reveals that Buterin was visiting Japan at that time, constantly engrossed in discussions and work related to Ethereum. CZ admitted candidly that overlooking Ethereum and not investing in it early on was his life's mistake. This confession took the entire crypto community by surprise and opened up a dialogue about missed opportunities and life-changing decisions. However, this confession from CZ wasn't just about a missed investment opportunity. He further stated that this regret was a major driving force that pushed him to create and launch Binance, which stands today as the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange platform by trading volume. Here we see how a perceived failure or missed opportunity can fuel ambition and lead to success in unexpected ways. Let's delve a little deeper into this idea. In his tribute to Ethereum, CZ pointed out the monumental role it has played in shaping the crypto world. Without Ethereum, there would be no Binance, CZ remarked, underlining the close connection between the two. CZ applauded the fact that Ethereum's platform opened up possibilities for initial coin offerings, ICOs, a pivotal development in the crypto world. Just a day after Ethereum's birthday, we have another crypto player on the scene celebrating its inception, the popular meme coin, Shiba Inu, or SHIB. Launched on the Ethereum chain on July 31, 2020, SHIB's growth has been quite the roller coaster. SHIB's elusive founder, known only as Ryoshi, has recently vanished from the public eye, deleting all social media presence in a move that's reminiscent of Bitcoin creator Satoshi Nakamoto's actions back in 2010. The current leader of the SHIB team, Shidoshi Kizuma, is now steering the ship, and they're preparing to launch Shibarium, a Layer 2 network that could further shake up the crypto scene. However, in a surprising turn of events, recent posts by Shidoshi indicate plans to step down after the launch of Shibarium, with intentions of leaving the project entirely in the hands of the community. There we have it. A roller coaster ride through the world of cryptocurrency marking the Ethereum's 8th birthday, exploring CZ's life-changing mistake, and forecasting the future of SHIB. Let us know your thoughts on these developments and where you see the crypto world heading next. And that's it for today's video, folks. If you found this video informative and intriguing, be sure to hit that like button, share it around, and do subscribe for more updates from the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring, keep investing, and stay safe.